Alright guys, so I just came back from hiking and I just wanted to show you guys this real quick because I did catch 2 more in my backyard. I don't know if I'm allowed to show like a dead rat on YouTube, but I'm gonna show it just so you guys know and see that it works. These ones look like rats versus voles, so I think I have both voles and rats in the backyard, but it is working. I also left the pack of juicy fruit gum out here and they actually ate the rest of that. So if you guys are trying to use bait, use that because it'll work every time. Okay guys, this is definitely gross, but yes, there is one there and then there is one over there. So they are attracted to the gum and also the herbs. Now they had ate the 2 bean plants in here before, but the Chinese red long noodle beans they left alone, and the one radish is starting to be able to grow back here. That one is a dragon tail radish, and then a bean plant's growing there. Sorry for the AC guys. This one, they've left that one alone so that one's starting to grow back. And then over here, these beans, they left alone last night too. So I'll come over here so you guys can hear me. So it's starting to become less of them digging because I don't see any more new dig holes or anything like that, and they're just going directly to the bait. So the plants that are out there, they've left alone. I'm still not going to put out any of like my new vegetables or anything like that. I'm just gonna keep bringing them inside until I don't see any more activity for at least like 2 to 3 to 4 days. I think that'll be a good kind of like judgment of if they're gone. So I'm gonna put on some gloves. I've got bags. This is the gross part of gardening, and I'm gonna get them out of my garden before they throw any disease or anything like that in here.